huge trauma release.
Yeah.
You know, like, and because everybody is so pent up with emotion.
See how this is like nothing now.
Yeah.
It was so tight, like 10 out of 10. Now it's like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It feels soft.
Yeah, it's soft, yeah.
Like, and it's not hurting.
And I hardly touched it.
Yeah, and it's not hurting.
No, it's not hurting.
Like,
Exactly, yeah.
I mean, if you right there, right there.
Yeah, it's still a bit like
yeah.
What's that? Yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, yeah. And that's that big, the thumb. Oh, no, the thumb.
I think this is actually coming from
that finger.
Yeah, I think it's more like inner wristband.
Yeah.
But here is more the inner thumb band there.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, and see, I remember when you first grabbed my forearm, I was like, oh. Yeah.
Now it's just...
Now it's just like you could...
Yeah, like here's still a little bit, you know?
Tight, but I mean,
I can get
harder.
in there. Right.
Like you can still go harder.
Yeah.
Like
that's pretty hard.
Yeah,
because that would have been the outer wristband, would have been associated again with that messed up finger of yours, you know?
Yeah.
Let's try to wrist click. Big breath.
Oh, that was like a triple.
Yeah, I know. That was huge.
Fucking hell.
Well,
man.
That's one of the...
Oh, there's the little finger
going.
Oh, God, because... Yeah, and because that mangled finger right there would be... Because you feel right there, that little hard, like...
Yeah.
Is that...
Yeah.
That's on... It doesn't...
Not as bad.
Nah. Oh. Yeah, it definitely feels way more bigger there. So that would be locking me fucking wrist up.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
That was a
big
fucking
yeah.
One of the biggest.
That's funny. I could say a lot of things, but I won't.
Yeah, we got that.
Yeah.
Viewer's discretion.
Yeah, that's it. Better allow a bit of time for your foot.
Yeah, you're right.
But that's released.
Oh yeah.
Quite nicely.
Oh yeah. Oh. So even that muscle there, that is literally like butter.
Yeah, it is,
Like that was so fucking rock hard before.
Yeah.
Like you could nearly dig your fingers in underneath it and rip it out.
Yeah.
And now it's like just pliable, like mush.
Yeah.
Like I can barely even feel it nearly.
Yeah.
And it feels like it's straight.
Probably this one feels tighter now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Whereas this one before we didn't even notice.
Yeah,
you know?
I couldn't even feel that.
Yeah.
Now I can.
You got something to compare to. This is now good.
Like, even and normally, like, I'm kind of, when I sit like this, like there's always like real tightness all kind of through there. I feel it nearly go into a little bit of like a pins and needlesy, and then I kind of start to lose circulation up into my arm. Like if I sit like this.
Yeah.
Right now, I can't feel it. Yeah.
Much more likely to. Because they all come up into the abdomen as well, you know?
Yeah.
Nice.
Here we fucking go.
Yeah,
I'm
mate.
packing in now, man.
Yeah.
I'm puckering.
Yeah.
I'm squeezing my ass cheeks.
Yeah. Well, let them go.
Nah, this is what I want. Like the more emotional big toe up into the abdominal region is that's because you felt how fucking concrete I was in that stomach there.
Yeah,
like,
you're tight at the back. Your hands like telling me. Get a bit of blood flowing with your toes.
Yeah, they are cold.
Yeah, they are.
I had my appointment, my Zoom meeting with Sari, the naturopath lady, and she said that I'd been purging a fair few heavy metals. My lead had gone up massively
and my nickel had gone up because when the metals go up, it means your body's like processing them. So because it raises because it's now circulating.
Yeah, right. Where did they test them from? Your hair or your blood?
From the hair.
From the hair. Okay.
Yeah, a lot more accurate.
Yeah.
But she said that there was something, I can't remember what it was, a particular ratio between certain minerals that was really, and my mercury had gone right up as well. And she was saying something about like it was really good for my thyroid. Yeah, that's getting already in there.
Yeah.
That's
nice. Bit of a conversation killer, this thing.
Yeah, no, I don't care.
Yeah. Kind of tight in here. I don't know if you can feel this.
No.
No, I mean, you know.
I can't feel it.
Intuitively.
Cannot feel a thing.
No.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Yeah.
Oh.
That would
have been,
yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Yeah, the toes are fucking way worse than the hands. Oh, that's 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just let you breathe into that. Yeah, it's pretty bad along this inside of the big toe.
Yeah.
How's that?
Oh, that's, 10.
Okay. Just gonna play join the dots quickly.
Yeah. Holy moly. Oh, that's fucking...
Oh.
Yeah, that's pushing.
Yeah.
9.7.
Okay. Come back to that.
Oh, that's... that's... Yeah. Oh. I'm getting emotional already.
Okay. Just let it out.
No, yeah, like I want it.
Yeah, this is highly charged, this stuff.
Yeah.
And it's being pulled this way a lot, you know?
Yeah.
So there's some shit going on.
Oh, fucking oh, yeah, that's fucking... Oh, fuck.
I'm trying to use the broader tool, but, you know,
Oh, that's... Yeah, that was like a...
it's all charged. So, yeah.
You're a bad man, Brandon.
Why, thank you. It's hard to find a job that I'd like, you know what I mean? Fucking hell. This is, you feel that in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bread and butter, mate.
It's fucking tight. A little
that was from wearing fucking. Oh, that's even that. Holy shit!
It's hard to find fucking spots on this toe that I can actually get into.
You're gonna have to use the bigger one, I think, on that. Oh. That was fucked up.
Yeah, it's so tight. We'll just do a bit of caressing with this one.
Yeah. Oh.
I think it's actually just this spot is really supercharged.
Fuck me, I'm about to spit on you.
Yeah. Don't do that.
That right there, that's.
Yeah.
Oh my
Big
God.
toe belly band.
Yeah,
That's what you were saying. It was like really charged on you in the belly. That's usually emotional.
Yeah, I'm like getting emotional. Right?
Yeah. It's supercharged.
Fucking. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So just breathe into it.
Oh.
Right in here. Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah,
Man,
this is
that's
the spot. Alright.
Oh. Fucking hell. You're gonna have to go a bit lighter, I think.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, even that, right? Even that's like.
Yeah. How about that?
Yeah, I can tolerate that.
Okay. We'll just come around here a little bit more and avoid
Holy fucking hell,
that.
cunt. You piece of shit.
Did you get put down a bit as a kid? Like 10, 11, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, my lord. See, that's getting up there to it. Probably, yep.
I'll let you breathe into that.
So for people that aren't ready for this intensity, could you just start them on like a 3? You know, and just slowly, just over session, open them up to...
Like that would be about a 3 for you, would it?
Hey?
Is what I'm doing now a 3 for you?
Oh, no, not at all. I mean, like with your pressure, like let's just say, like where I'm at, you know, like I'm like, whoa, like, but I'm ready for it. But some other people might be experiencing like that intensity with such less pressure.
Yeah.
Like, but yeah, I guess what I'm saying is, your pressure, your less pressure can be way more for their threshold. Like,
well, the thing is it depends how quick you want to get rid of tension, you know? Like, you could work really gently.
Yeah.
But then there comes a point if you work so gently, you just completely miss it. Like if I ice that out, basically. Yeah. But yeah, with the yellow line.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you like this area here. It's just supercharged in
That's,
there.
See, I hate to be a bitch, but like I think you might need to use the bigger one on that.
Yeah.
Like for you to be able to do more work on it because it's so fucking intense. Oh my.
I don't think it's the tool. I think it's just your here you're supercharged, you know. But it definitely, it's not as painful. Obviously, the bigger one, you know. It's like a nodule. You feel that? It's like a fucking. Can we do it without actually having me feel the tension?
Can we adjourn this
Yeah.
That big toe, Just makes me want to shake.
Yeah, it's fucking charged as shit. That's a technical term. I'm not sure how to say that in Latin. But like right in here.
Yeah.
But you're handling it a little bit better.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gnarly. That's it. Good. Good breathing.
Ah.
So hold that. Breathe into that.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. Okay, we'll hold this. Breathe. Oh, fuck, I feel that.
Fuck me.
Oh my gosh. So, like, if we think about that from a reflexology point of view, that's probably going to be like your ears or something. I don't know, or like your. Were you getting any issues on this side?
Oh, I mean, I do get it like a bit of tinnitus or whatever.
Yeah.
Ringing in my ears.
Yeah.
Holy fucking hell.
Yeah.
Sorry for the language.
Yeah, it's really offensive for me, you know. I hate fucking swearing, you know. Swearing actually helps. With pain relief, you know.
Fuck.